Hi everyone, it's the Lego Lady. I put together the 2015 limited edition Christmas train. It was 233 pieces and the model is 40138. It was a promotional piece that they did where you had to buy, I think, $75 or $99 worth of merchandise to get. We were pretty excited. Our youngest loves trains. Now here you can see the scale. It came with a little tiny like tree and flag, and I think that's supposed to be like a little present, and white flower or flower covered with snow. The wheel system on this train was great. I really enjoyed the simplicity of it, and it's really smooth with its driving. It's pretty cute with its three little cars. You can see some little steam coming out right there. The second car has a candy cane and some presents, a little peppermint candy, an ice cream cone, I think a cupcake. The caboose was pretty cute, and it actually looks like you could continue on if you wanted to build additional pieces or buy multiple Christmas trains and figure out how to connect them together. Overall, it was a really fun build, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the time-lapse video. Thanks for watching.